Have you ever been to a castle? If not, this video is for you. Bishop Castle in Colorado has been around since the 1960s, and it was built by Jim Bishop as his childhood dream project. But it's not just any old castle. It can be seen from miles away thanks to the bright colors. It's an amazing sight that will make your day brighter. I'll tell you all about that and more. You don't want to miss on this tour of this unique treasure. Located in the heart of the Rocky Mountains, Bishop Castle is one of Colorado's hidden gems. This eccentric landmark was built by Jim Bishop over a period of 25 years. The castle has different rooms such as castle towers, castle cellars, castle courtyards, and castle dungeons. There are 5 different levels in the castle which you can explore when you take a castle tour. The admission to Bishop Castle is free, but donations are both appreciated and accepted. Check out the description for more information. Jim spent a lot of time working on the castle himself, but he also had a crew of people that helped him build it. The interior of Bishop Castle has a grand view of the mountains through the arched windows. The castle is surrounded by ancient trees which serve to enhance its magical qualities and give it an air of mystery that entices many viewers to come and explore every year. While working on the castle, Bishop was engaged in a running battle with Washington bureaucrats over the rocks from the national forest surrounding his property, which became an issue between them. Now, Bishop Castle has become a tourist attraction for over 800,000 visitors a year. I was on a road trip traveling the back roads of North America, and I had to stop at Bishop Castle in Colorado. The place did not disappoint. Some towers are up to 12 stories tall, and all kinds of cool sculptures that you can find throughout. The path wound upwards, curving around the stone keep of Bishop Castle. The view was breathtaking, and it stood against the clear blue sky and the lofty mountain peaks in every direction. There's nothing like it. Walking up the stairs, and every turn revealed something new, an unexpected surprise. When I reached the top, it made me feel like a giant for once in my life, and little people staring at me from the cars. The front half of Bishop Castle is a stunning example of perseverance and hard work. The tower, which stands over 160 feet tall, 49 meters, can be seen for miles in any direction as it dominates the skyline from either side. Unlike most people, Bishop had to fight for what he wanted, according to Roadside America. That dispute has been settled after 1996, where they issued official signs pointing towards Bishop Rocks, now a landmark. And there you have it. We hope that after watching this tour of Bishop Castle, you're now more informed of castle-like buildings and how they can brighten up your day. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more videos and tours here at Travel IQ.